In this video, I'll show you how to find trending hashtags inside Instagram. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. So open the Instagram app on your phone, then tap on the magnifying glass right here at the bottom, and then open up the search bar. In the search bar, we're going to type a keyword that is related to our niche or to the type of content you create. So let's say you're a travel blogger and you're trying to find hashtags for your post. So I'm going to type something like travel. Then I'm going to tap on enter. And then right here, Instagram is going to show you your For You page for travel, any suggested accounts, reels, audios, and then we want to go to tags. And here you will find the list of every single trending hashtag based on the keyword that we just gave Instagram. If you want to get some content inspiration, this is a really great thing that you can do as well. Simply tap on any hashtag and Instagram will show you the posts that are using those hashtags. And that's it. Hope this video helped.